Welcome to our step-by-step video guide on how to make a mouth-watering hamburger from scratch. Get ready to satisfy your cravings. Before we begin, make sure you have all the necessary ingredients: ground beef, buns, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickles, cheese, ketchup, mustard, salt, and pepper. To create the perfect hamburger, it's important to choose the best ingredients. Look for fresh, high-quality meat and vegetables at your local grocery store. Let's start by preparing the patty. Season the ground beef with salt and pepper, then gently shape the meat into patties. Be careful not to overwork the meat, as it can make the patty tough. Now it's time to grill the patty. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat and cook the patties for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Adjust the cooking time based on your preferred level of doneness. Congratulations! You've successfully made a delicious homemade hamburger. Add your favorite toppings, assemble the burger, and enjoy.